Hey everyone, good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. I'm Rich. This is Six String Fun. Diving back into the 90s, later 90s, I think, 97, 98 maybe. One hit wonder. But when it was played, you go out to the bars, to the clubs, to the restaurants, you played this, everyone knew it. I don't care who you were, what kind of music you're into. You knew it, and you kind of were at least tapping your feet to it. So this is Tubthumping by Chumbawamba. Say that a couple times fast if you haven't heard that before. Fairly straightforward song. I mean, we're talking a handful of chords: a D to the G. There's an A in there. You got a B minor. Well, from there we go into like I guess it's the kind of the verse, which is an E minor, back to the G, to B minor, to the A, and then the G. Try that again. D and G. Combo of chords is, the whole riff, the song, the chorus, basically. So let's get into it. I'll show you how I do this. If you haven't done so, would really appreciate it if you like, subscribe, hit the bell. Let me know how I'm doing. I mean, I'm doing this for a while. I mean, your input's very important to me. If you got some requests, I want to hear those too, because I want to do what you want to hear. Plenty of stuff that I have a list to do here that I want to do. Hopefully it's what you want to hear as well. And again, everything from what we're doing today to Classic Rush is on the list, to Petty, to a whole bunch of other things. So let me know what you want to hear, and I will do my best to get it in there. But for now, Tubthumping by Chumbawamba. Let's get into this one. Okay, so the chords are big. The intro basically is also the chorus. Very Beatles-like in terms of, I guess, the chorus kind of kicking the song off, at least from my perspective. D to a G. You're going to play that 3 times, I believe it is. And you want to kind of get that strumming pattern in there just to kind of reflect the song so it sounds like the song. So my strumming pattern is this. If you sing along the chorus in your head, it'll fit. I get knocked down, I get up again. You're never gonna let me down. I get knocked down, right? So that strumming pattern with the D and the G 3 times. I get knocked down. You're going to play that 3 times. I think it's 3 times. And we're going to the A as you turn around. You're never going to keep me down. Here it comes. So that's kind of your theme for most of the song. 75-80% of the song right there. So get that down. Right. Anyway, we got that. The verse really kind of the dynamics come down quite a bit, and we're going to play a couple new chords now. The E minor to the G, B minor to the A. So 2 new chords, but 2 chords we were using from the intro and the chorus. We're going to throw in here because I can sing right. E minor to the G to the E minor. Completely wrong. E minor to the G to the B minor to the A. Again. He drinks the whiskey drink, and you're kind of going back to that D and G A mess of chords there. But again, the dynamics kind of, He drinks the whiskey drink. And it really works very well because it kicks into the chorus soon, and you're playing the same chords, but because of the dynamics, it sounds completely different. So it'll be... A turns around. And And that's kind of the whole song right there. Again, one-hit wonder, at least to my knowledge. I mean, I know they were from Great Britain, England, I think it was. I could be wrong, though. So I don't know what they had over there before or after this tune, so maybe it is not quite a one-hit wonder, but here in the States it kind of was, I guess. That's the tune, man. So you can definitely give it a shot. Great for the campfire. Again, you're going to play this, you start saying everyone's going to know. So enjoy it, have fun with this one. Let me know if you got any requests, concerns, questions, that sort of thing. Raise your hand, that sort of thing. But I do appreciate everyone checking out the channel the last X amount of years, 3 years now it is. It's a lot of fun, a lot of good things coming here in 2023. They've been coming, but more to come, especially the second half, I think, providing I get my act together, but I think we'll be all right. Requests, let me know what you want to hear, what you don't want to hear. I mean, again, I've got a list of things I want to do. We're doing this tune, but I got a list of everything from Rush to Petty to Springsteen to Hailstorm, all coming in the next couple weeks, I guess. So let me know what you want to hear, and we will do our best to tackle it and get it out to you. So again, much appreciated, and I will see you on the next video at some point. All right, later.